Myself, Prayak Patel, working as assistant professor in IT ICT department of LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. Now, in today's video lecture, I will discuss about the assembly line scheduling. In our previous video lecture, already we find the table for the assembly line scheduling, how we can calculate. Now, in this video lecture, we discuss about how to find the path of the optimal solution. Means in previous lecture, we already find the value of the F11, F12, F13, F14, then F21, F22, F23, F24 up to the F star. Means we have the value of the F1 n to F2n and value of the F star. Now also we find the value of the L star. Now our goal is find the best solution or optimal solution. Here consider the optimal solution is 27. So consider 27 as a best solution or optimal solution for the given example of the assembly line scheduling. So here solution is there 27, but according to which path we get this solution? How we can find this path? In this video lecture we discuss about the how to find the path for the getting 27 in this example. So here consider given table is F1j and F2j. We already find F1, F11, F12, F13 and F14. Same way F21, F22, F23 and F24 in our previous video lecture. Also we find the value of the F star. Now we want to find the path for that which we want to use for the backtracking. So here consider this table as a F table. Now another table we already find in our previous video lecture is table L. And what is the value of table L? Table L define the value of the line. Means here in L table value equal to 1 means answer getting from the line number 1. If the value equal to 2 means answer getting from the line number 2. Here consider line number 1 and line number 2 in this example. So here consider the step number 3. In step number 1 and 2 we already find the value of the F and L. Now in step number 3 compute the value of an optimal solution typically in bottom up fashion. Means here we find the value according to bottom to top manner. So here consider given data and value of the L1 and L2. Here consider figure and final answer equal to 27. Now what is the value of I and what is the value of J? Here consider number of line, consider as a value of I. So here consider I equal to 1 or 2, means here consider number of row as a I and consider number of column as a J. So here consider value of J equal to 2, 3, 4 like this. So in this table L, value of I equal to 1 and 2. 1 means first row, 2 means second row. In column, consider value of J equal to 2, 3, 4. Here consider value of J as a station. Here consider first station, station number 1, station number 2, station number 3 and station number 4. Because in this figure 4 stations are there in line 1 as well as in line 2. So here consider I as a line number and J consider as a station number. Remember this point for solving this example. Now here consider backtracking process start from the L star process, L star location. Means here consider L star means when we find the value of the F star, then value is 27. 27 get from the first line, first option. So we can say that L star equal to 1. Now start from the L star. Here L star equal to 1 means we can say that or find the value of I as a L star. Initially consider the value of I as a L star. So here I equal to L star equal to 1. Now that means start the backtracking process from line number 1. So here consider backtracking process start from the line number 1 means at that location. So consider the select the line number 1 station number 4. Here remember that according to our value we select the line and consider the previous station. So here in place of L star line equal to 1 and previous station consider as a 4 number station. So here consider selection of the line number 1 and station number 4. Now here consider selected element as a value 2. Now what is our next step? Next step is start the backtracking from that location 1 4. So here consider I as a 1, row number as a 1 and column number as a 4 for backtracking process. So here consider value as a 2 for location 1 4. Now consider the line number 1 and station number 4. Means consider value as a 2. So we can say that what is the value of I? I equal to equation I equal to Lij. Here consider value of I equal to 1 because first row and value of j equal to 4 because fourth column. So here consider L of 1 4 means here consider I equal to L1 4. What is the value of L1 4? Value of the L1 4 equal to 2. So here we can say that L1 4 equal to 2. What is the meaning of L1 4 equal to 2? Means we select the next option as a select line number 2 because why we select line number 2? Here L1 4 equal to 2 means consider the line number 2 for L1 4 equal to 2. Then what is the column number? Means station number. Column number consider as a station number. So consider the previous station. In this case we consider now station number 4. So previous case or previous step consider as a station number 3. So we can simply say that select 2 here consider value equal to 2 means we select the station number 2 line number 2 in station number 3. So here consider line number 2 and station number 3 for our next process. So see in this figure movement from the line number 1 to line number 2 in station number 4 to station number 3. Now consider the next step as a select the station number 2 line number 2 and station number 3. So here consider next step as a location 2 3. Here row number as a 2 and column number as a 3 because here consider value equal to 2. So here next step is what is the value of L23. Here L2 means line number 2, 3 means station number. So L23 value equal to 2. So consider line 2 station 3. Now consider Lij, I equal to 2 and j equal to 3. So consider L2 3. Here L23 equal to 2. What is the meaning of L23? Here L23 equal to 2 means select the line number 2 because value equal to 2 means select the line number 2 in which station? In previous station. Now we have at location 3 or column number 3 means at station number 3. Here L23 equal to 2 means select the line number 2 in station number previous station. Previous station means station number 2. So here consider this step line number 2 and station number 2. So move from the location 2 3 to 2 2. So here consider this path consider as a movement from the line number 2 at location 3 to location 2. Now consider this path. Now next step is consider the our next location as a location 2 2. So here consider value as a 1. Consider the location of I and j, value of I and j. Here line number 2 and station number 2. Line number 2 means value of I equal to 2 and station number 2 means j equal to 2. So here consider Lij equal to I. So I equal to L22. What is the value of L22? L22 means line number 2 station number 2 value consider as a 1. So here consider L22 equal to 1. Now which element is selected, which station is selected? Now consider here value of the L22 equal to 1 means answer equal to 1 means line number 1 is selected. Now which station is selected? For this station consider the previous station. Now we have at location 2 means consider as a station number 2. So select the previous station means station number 1 means we can say that select the line 1 and station 1. So see in this figure table here consider line number 1 station number 1 means movement from the line number 2 to line number 1 at station 2 to station 1. Now consider the next step. Here consider next step as a given table last value is 1. So consider the station number in this figure. Here station number 1, then station 2, then 3 and 4. In both the line number 1 and line number 2, same station are there. So first station consider as a station number 1 for both the line. Next station is station number 2 for both the line. Next is station number 3 for both the line, and last one is station number 4. And after the station number 4, we consider the value of F star. Now here consider last value as a L star, and value of the L star equal to 1, means we start the backtracking for the value L star. So here consider value as a 2, then consider line number 2 value equal to 2. So same line means line number 2 value equal to 1. So movement of the line in this table consider as a from the line number 1, then line number 2, then line number 2, then line number 1. So in this figure, first we consider select the line number 1, station number 4. Means see in this given figure, here consider the line number 1 at station number 4. So consider the value from this F star. So here F star is the last or ending point. From the ending point, consider the line number 1, station number 4. So select the station number 4 as a this value. Now consider the next location as a select line number 2 and station number 3. So here consider change the line number. So move from the line number 1 to the line number 2 at station number 3. So here consider this sequence. Here consider movement from the line number 1 to line number 2 and select the station number 3. Now next step is consider the line number 2 and station number 2. Here this value is find from the our table L. So here consider line number 2 and station number 2 as our next destination. So consider the line number 2 means same line number 2 are there, and consider the station number 2. So select this station. Now consider the next step, and the next step consider as a line number 1 and station number 1. So here move from the line number 2 to the line number 1, because here consider line number 1 as a next line. So consider the line number 1 and station number 1 means select the station number 1 in line 1. So here consider the only one option from the station number 1 to the entry point. Here first point, this point consider as an entry point, and last point consider as an exit point. So from the exit point, one by one station is selected, and at the station number 1 only one path are there, because remaining all stations, station 2, station 3, station 4 have multiple paths, but at station number 1 only one path are there. So we select the station number 1 from the entry point. So here consider from the entry point to station number 1 at our last location. So consider this option means according to step number 4, we construct an optimal solution from the computed information. Here consider table number L as a computed information, and from the table number N computed information we find the optimal solution or path. Here consider first station 4, then station 3 in line 2, then station 2 in line 2, then station 1 in line 1, and next one is entry point. So this is called the solution of the given problem. Now consider the main or final answer of our assembly line scheduling is, first we select the line 1 station 1. Already we discussed this point, but this is done in backtracking process. Now in original way, how we can find the path from the entry point to exit point, means starting point to exit point, how we can find the solution. Here our aim is find the optimal solution. For automobile example means consider as a car or designing of car. So consider first step done at which station, then next step is done in which line and which station. So here first consider select the line 1 and station 1, means from the entry point consider the line number 1 and select the station number 1, this point in figure. Now consider the next step is select the line number 2 and station number 2. So here consider movement from the line number 1 to line number 2 and select the station number 2 here. Now next step consider as a select line number 2 and station number 3, means same line, consider line number 2 and select the station number 3. So consider this point as a station number 3. Now next step, consider as a select line number 1 and station number 4. Means here consider line number 1 means upper line. So move from the lower line to upper line means line number 2 to line number 1. So here consider this point as a station number 4. Now last step is consider the path from the station number 4 to F star. Now here only one path are there from the line number 1 station number 4 to F star. So consider this path as a final path from the station number 4 to F star. So here consider this path as a solution of the assembly line scheduling. Now what is the our answer? Here consider the total or minimum time required to build a car. Consider as a 27 because last answer equal to 27. We already find this answer in our previous video lecture, but path is not there. So here in this lecture consider the 27 as an optimal solution for build a car according to this example, and consider the path from the starting point to ending point means starting point to F star. Consider the path as a given path. First select line 1 station 1, then line 2 station 2, then line 2 station 3, then line 1 station 4. Thank you for watching this video.